request our lyrical stars to take your seats. Thank you very much, Pastor Joshua. Thank you, Councilor Alejandro, for joining us for the dedication. Thank you once again, Ms. Crisette, for everything that you do. And now, as we are back here, we have finally dedicated the building. After we have prayed for it, it's time for us to officially inaugurate and cut the ribbon that will symbolize opening its doors for the dreams that will come true. The dreams of these young minds, because we believe in you. May we request Mayor Bastet, Vice Mayor, to please proceed where the ribbon cutting will happen. Together with Ms. Julie Deaday, Ms. Jasmine Egan, Councilor Alejandro, and Ms. Crisette. Please do join them as we will cut the ribbon. That will symbolize that the project that your heart, di ba, that started with one question. Ano ang kailangan? At ang kailangan ay nandito na.
Sorry.
We are going to be having first picture taking. Let's look at the camera first. Big smile from our
Palay
big smile with
Dagupan.
Tatay Digong. Oh, nagpa-photo up pa pala kayo. And now this time, we're going to be having the cutting of the ribbon. Ibalik muna natin kasi nakat ng bata. Pasensya po. Now let's cut it and count of 3. 1, 2, and 3! And everyone! Yay! Tatay Digong classroom is now open!
Tatay Digong classroom is now open.
Resident!
Tatay Digong classroom is now open. That's the
Thank you
classroom.
so much.
Tio, go.
And this is of course because of
We would like to request our VIPs to please take your seat first.
so nandito sila ngayon.
Ayan. Now this time, we will be requesting...
Congratulations, Crazy, Crisette.
Digo. Mayor
Tatay Digong
Bastet,
classroom.
Ma'am Crisette and Ma'am Jasmine to please proceed to where you are seated. Maraming salamat po.
Wow. Quick update. Quick update.
So hello guys, we have just inaugurated the new classrooms. We call it Tatay Digong Classroom. So dito ay nasa Palay Dagupan.
And now this time,
And most of the kids who are studying here.
gusto ko sana tawagin si Ma'am Crisette kasi umiyak na naman siya. Last year, umiyak din siya sa Rico. Oo. Tapos ngayon,
Wag.
umiyak na naman siya.
You can see.
Alam, ganito kasi talaga yung mga passionate.
Nandun na lahat.
Ganito
Dito
kasi
na,
talaga yung
so,
pagmamahal. Ma'am Crisette, ulitin ko din,
As you've
ano,
seen, Mayor
hindi na po
Baste
dito
just
sa mga
opened
gwapong
it.
to. Hayaan nyo na po sila. Dito po sa mga kabataan, that in their young mind, they will instill on behalf of Tatay Digong. Ayun na, naiyak
Yes.
na naman ako.
Showing their
On behalf of, ngayon sabi ko, uy sila Mayor Baste, tsaka si Rico, hindi nga umiyak, tapos tayo iyak na iyak, no? Hindi ko kasi nawawala tayong anak, no? Ang
Correct.
feeling family, pasensya na po. Kung gusto niyo po kami ampunin,
So this is the school.
Open
Pakita
for
natin ang
adoption.
school.
my playground.
My playground, my school. Sorry, I just can't show the kids, the children.
She is a friend of PRRD and every one of us, we are friends of Present. Go?
Yes. For the girls.
Last year, alam niyo pang haba po ng message niya. Thank you. Ngayon madadagdagan. Few more words.
Thank you, Tio.
Okay, sorry, hindi ako yung prepared speech mayor, vice mayor.
Dito tayo kay Crisette.
Here, kasi we believe that
Kifi.
superstition na we do not celebrate June 9. That's why we celebrate the 80th birthday of PRRD early. And this was our gift to him. Kasi this was, we know na ang nakaka-happy kay PRRD is yung nakaka-happy sa inyo. So aside from House of Hope, kayo din yung lagi nang iniisip because the reason that classroom is created kasi madami kayo, hindi kayo kasya sa isang classroom and he was worried about you. And sabi namin, because PRD inspired a lot of Filipinos, and for us, the way to continue his legacy is to a new generation of Filipinos to help you achieve your dreams. That's why we promised him during his birthday last year, nung nakikita niya pa ito, ano pa yan, it's just a bear. We promised him that we will help him achieve his dreams of helping future Filipinos. So hopefully, hanggang kaya namin, we will build more classrooms in the name of PRRD because he inspired us.
Thank you.
Kung kayo, please remember him that we had a very good president and all he wanted was to, you know, make a good country. So when you live your lives, please live it in a way na he will be proud of us. So yun. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you, Beth. I think Ego will be proud of you. Kasi from 2 words to 2 paragraph. Now, this time, sir, yes, sir, pag pupunta kayo sa Dahig, balita nyo dito ha, na maraming magaganda. Aside sa magandang building, maraming magaganda sa event niya. Headed by. Now, this time, we would like to show you beautiful pictures of what happened last year and of how beautiful that beautiful dreams can make into reality.